And we're good. Now, spacecraft is traveling along the line 2x plus y plus 6 equals 0. What lies ahead is a large asteroid field in the shape of an ellipse, which is this curve here, given to you by this equation here. It is not safe to travel through such an asteroid field should the spacecraft alter its course. Okay, what I'm assuming is if it touches it on the outside, I'm assuming that means you get clipped. I'm assuming that means your spacecraft gets destroyed. I'm assuming if you go straight through, you're most definitely destroyed. That makes sense? The only time you're completely safe is when you don't touch it at all. So here's the example. 2 answers gets the spacecraft destroyed because there'll be 2 different points. 1 point still gets it destroyed, not as destroyed, but clips it and causes it to spin off and destroy. The only thing that gets us completely free and home to Earth is no answers. Everybody in agreement with that? Yes, Luke. It means it touches it. So if it touches it, it means it touches asteroid, which in my opinion means it gets destroyed. You can write that down if you want. Just write an argument. It touches it. I think it gets destroyed. Full marks because it makes logical sense. And then somebody could also write it touches it, but it could survive. Full marks provided there's some logic in your thoughts. Okay. Now, which one's the linear equation? Which one's the linear? Okay. Now, get one of the letters on its own. Okay. Now, 4x squared plus 9 times whatever y is squared equals 36. What's y? Minus 2x minus 6. Now, the question is, what is y squared? What is minus 2x minus 6 multiplied by minus 2x minus 6? I'm just trying to figure out what this part is here. And when I figure out what it is, I will multiply it by 9. Is that alright? So that's all I'm trying to figure out now. What is that? Then I'll multiply the answer by 9. So, what is it? Anybody tell me? 4x squared plus 12x plus another 12x plus 36. 4x squared plus 24x plus 36. Everybody alright with that? Now, we're going to multiply everything there by 9. Why are we going to multiply everything there by 9? 9 was meant to get multiplied by the answer for that. So 9 times 4x squared, 36x squared. 9 times 24, 216x. 9 times 36, huh? 324. And then take away the other 36. I think that's what you did, Luke. Okay, has anybody got the same answers as me just for? Okay, yep. 40x squared plus 216x. Now, what's that? 288? Is that what you said? Now, I'm looking at that and going, that's not going to happen factorizing wise, is it? What about what happens if we try to divide some numbers in? Let's start with 4. I'm going to divide everything by 4. I'll get 10x squared. Hopefully it works. 10x squared, 216 divided by 4? 54. Okay. 54. And then the last one. Okay. I'm going to divide everything by 2 now. And we get x squared minus 27x plus. And now I'm out of options, haven't I? You could do the minus b formula. Probably be the way to do it, wouldn't it? A equals 5, B equals 27, C equals 36. Okay, so minus B plus or minus the square root of B squared minus 4AC all over 2A. So what does X equal? Minus 27 plus or minus the square root of, what's B squared? Minus? Ah. Okay. All over 2 times 5. Now, I'm going to have a look at this 27 squared business here. 27 squared minus 4. I think it's going to have an answer, isn't it? So, square root of 9. Square root of 9 is 3. So, 27 plus or minus 3 all over 10. X equals, what's it going to be? Minus 30 over 10 and minus 24 over 10. Does everybody understand? I did minus 27 plus 3 and minus 27 minus 3. Both versions. One answer is minus 3. The other answer is minus 2.4. What can you tell me? Two answers. Two answers means 2 points, which means it goes straight through the asteroid field, which means it most definitely needs to alter course. Yes, Luke?